What if I told you you're moving at the speed of light right now? You and everything else around you is moving at the same exact speed. It doesn't matter if a car passes you or if you're sitting down. You are always moving at the speed of light. And today I'm going to explain what time really is and how it all works. If you're standing still, it may not feel like you're moving at all. You're just in your room and nothing is changing. But physics says standing still never actually happens. But how does that make sense? Well, the universe has four dimensions. We have the three dimensions and one time dimension. You can move through space and you can move through time. But here's a strange rule. You are always moving through space-time. Now here's a key idea most people never hear. Universe treats space and time as one single system. In physics, your motion is described as space-time velocity. And its total size is always the same. Think of it of walking northeast. You'll have one total speed, but it splits up into different directions. We have the north side and the east side. Now you can replace directions of space and time. So instead of north, we can put time. And instead of east, we can put space. Your total motion through space-time stays constant, as you see this line here. Your motion doesn't disappear, no matter where else you go. So let's look at another example. Now let's look at another example. Here I made a graph of time and space. Now, as I said before, when moving through space-time, you're moving at a constant rate of speed of light. So let's imagine this. You are moving super fast through space. So the graph will look something like this. Now, as you see here, you're moving extremely fast through space as the slope is very narrow. Now, but if we look at the time side, barely experienced any time. That's why the faster you move, the more the time slows down. So, what if I stand completely still? If I can stand completely still, I'm still moving at a constant rate. And that constant rate is time. So, whenever you're sitting still in space, you're still experiencing speed of light, but you're experiencing it as time. Okay, you might get a hang of it. So if I stand completely still in space, I move at the speed of light through time. But what if I'm moving through space at the speed of light? Like a photon. A photon is literally light, and it moves at the speed of light. So what kind of time does it experience? So we will have to draw its line. Since it's moving at the speed of light, and space-time is always constant, its graph looks like this. A straight line. So what does this tell us? This tells us a photon, the light itself, doesn't experience light. The moment it got emitted from our sun to your eye, there was no time in between. For it, it was instantaneous. So anything that doesn't have mass and is moving at the speed of light doesn't experience time. So what does that mean? Well, a more accurate name of speed of light is the speed of the universe. The universe is always moving at the same speed. So no matter how fast you are running, no matter how far and still you are always moving at the speed of light. Let's imagine this. You're sitting at a bridge looking into the distance at cars. They may look like they're going faster than you, but in the universe and physics terms, both of you guys are moving at the same exact speed, the speed of light. So next time you feel nothing's happening, remember, you are not waiting for time to pass. You're traveling through time at the fastest speed nature allows, the speed of light. And the real question isn't, why does time move forward? It's, why can't we choose a different direction through spacetime? Why can't we go back through spacetime? Well, we can answer that question in the next video. As always, thank you for watching. Make sure to like, make sure to join my Discord, and make sure to follow. And also, I made a Patreon in my bio if you want to support me other ways. And if you buy the $5 rank, I'll personally write your name on my lab coat. As always, thank you for watching. I love all my fans.